Manuela presents a natural regrowth at level 6 dark blonde with a percentage of white hair of 30 to 70%, while the lengths and ends are coloured and lightened at a golden light blonde and beige very light blonde level. The target set is to cover grey hair by creating depth on regrowth with an ash medium blonde colour that will be created with a mixture of 7.0 intense natural medium blonde and 7.1 ash medium blonde, maintaining a lighter colour on the lengths and ends by performing the Milkshake Colour Sorbet service with Milkshake Colour Whipped Cream Beige Blonde. Apply Milkshake Colour Specifics Powerful Protector to the entire perimeter of the hair. Prepare the formula for regrowth with Milkshake 9 minutes 20 grams of 7.0 plus 20 grams of 7.1, mixed with 40 grams of Milkshake oxidizing emulsion at 20 volumes 6%. Proceed by creating the cross separation and apply the formula of Milkshake 9 minutes to the natural regrowth. Start setting the processing time of 9 minutes. At the end of the processing time, emulsify the colour with water to remove any residue from the hair and scalp. Then rinse thoroughly. Apply Milkshake Colour Specifics Acid Colour Sealer, massage and leave on for 3 minutes. Without rinsing, shampoo with Milkshake Colour Sealing Shampoo, then apply Milkshake Colour Sealing Conditioner. After rinsing, perform the Milkshake Colour Sorbet service on the lengths and ends with the Beige Blonde Milkshake Colour Whipped Cream. Distribute the product evenly and proceed with the desired style.